lights flicker while the world keeps turning. We shout in silence, hearts heavy yearning. Faces pass by like waves on an endless sea. When did we lose the song inside you and me? Can you feel the rhythm of a quieter sound? A whisper of hope in this lost and found ground. Let us stand together as one. Love is in our hands, side by side. Blessed be the path and strong be the mind. Show respect to the heavens and keep peace in your heart and mind. Whoa, 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 whoa. A gentle word, a helping hand in the dark. Small light shining bright, igniting one spark. From island to city, from mountain to sea, we build the bridge of love, your heart and mind free. Rise up, let the spirit fly. Tattoo to fight as it will reach the sky. With roots held deep in sand and sun, together a new day has begun. The sun shines brightly over mountains and rivers. The spirit awakens in the praises of dawn. Love and courage are the foundation of our lives. Listen to the peace that is led by Alofa. Let us stand together as one. Love is in our hands, side by side. Blessed be the path, and strong be the mind. Show respect to the heavens and keep peace in your heart and mind. Whoa, let us stand together as one. Love is in our hands, side by side. Blessed be the path, and strong